Welcome to Loving Classroom and these packs of cards, a collection of activities to cultivate 8 virtues in the classroom: respect, compassion, listening, kindness, gratitude, love, friendship and care, on 3 levels: head, heart and hand, intellectual, emotional and practical. How does it work? In class or for a group, take 1 or 2 cards a week and do the activities explained on the back of the cards. Sometimes you'll get involved in a thrilling conversation working through an important, inspiring step in relationship education. At such a crucial point, please don't rush ahead because you've got to finish the curriculum on time. That's the magic moment when you're best building a caring relationship. Enjoy building a loving classroom and a loving world.
I feel like this really brought the class together as one, and it sort of united us to be friendly with each other.
We all sort of clubbed together and helped each other.
It inspired me to learn and teach others about what I learned today.
If we believe in something, we can do it and make a change.